how to send a picture in Telegram in Android. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up a Telegram application first. And then once you open it up, you need to locate up the chat in which you would like to send the picture to. So go ahead and locate up the chat, the person, and once you locate up the person, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may locate up the link option right beside the microphone icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it opens up your gallery. So all you gotta do is from the section, locate up the picture that you would like to send. For example, I would like to send this particular picture. So just tap on the picture and tap on the send icon in the right bottom right, tap on it. And once you send it, the picture will be sent to the user. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.